Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh suddenly stops working and certain rooms lose internet while the main connection still seems active, it can become upsetting. Sometimes the mesh points appear connected, but devices still struggle to load anything, while other times the signal disappears completely in areas that normally work fine. Issues like this can happen because of placement changes, syncing interruptions, connection delays, or the mesh system simply needing a quick refresh. Before assuming the whole setup stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many mesh connection problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh not working. Try these. Step 1. Check the signal location of the T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh device and make sure it is not placed too far from the main gateway. Step 2. Remove power from the T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh device briefly before connecting it again. Step 3. Open the official app connected to the T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh system and review connection status. Step 4. Move the T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh device slightly if weak coverage or syncing problems continue. Step 5. Allow the T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh device a few moments to reconnect with the main network after restarting. Step 6. Test internet near the T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh device and confirm the connection feels stable again.